was online the other day looking at cigars, and I came across a cool looking tabletop lighter, so I ordered one. It's an Alec Bradley, the burner tabletop lighter. It's got a pretty cool box. Thought I'd order one and try it out. They retail for $49.99, but be sure to shop around. So I spent less than $24 on this. Let's open up the box and check this out. Pretty neat looking. Holds butane. Has a 2.4 ounce tank with a piezo ignition. Nice little spark there. Let me grab some butane. We'll fill this up. Well, I got a can of butane. We'll see how this fills up. Sitting down, so hopefully I don't make a big mess. Let's try it out. Tank's getting very cold. Oh, overflowing a little bit. Feels like there's a bunch in there. Definitely don't be smoking while you're filling up your lighters. That wouldn't be good. Alright. It's like any extra has evaporated away. I'm going to give this a couple minutes to stabilize, and we'll try it out. Alright, I'm back. I got a little Tobacco Special Cafecita. It's a little one. Try this tabletop lighter out with. A little cut on it. Kind of curious how close I can get my face to it. This right here, adjust the flame up and down. Ignition right here, a little piezo lighter. Try it out. Tabletop though. It's supposed to be sitting on the table. Got a little dinky handle on it. It's hard to hold on. But I'm going to try it out anyways. Turn it on a little bit. Ooh. See how small I can adjust that flame. Very small. It's supposed to have a soft mushroom flame on it. Gets rather large, as you can see, all the way up. Supposedly, the tank will last for up to 2 hours continuously. That's pretty good. Alright, let's toast this little tobacco. It's pretty neat. I like it. The only issue I see with this is turning it off. If you don't turn it off all the way, you might lose some of that butane. That wouldn't be good. The base of it says, I don't know if you can see that or not, Alec Bradley Cigar Company. Pretty neat. Be great for having a cigar party or something. Leave it on the table. Have everyone light their cigars off from it. I'll do updates on it if I have any issues, but I think that's pretty cool. I did a review on this approximately 3 months ago, and this lighter has held up great. I've only refilled it once. Sounds like I'm due for one pretty soon here. But let's see how it works. Definitely the flame still adjusts very nice. That's up on high, it's down low. Pretty happy with it. If it doesn't start on the first click of the ignition, usually on the second, it's pretty nice. Well, I'm going to enjoy this cigar. I hope you have time today to enjoy a fine cigar too.